Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 9th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2023. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a great pancake recipe that'll be perfect on a cool fall morning. We're going to make maple and brown sugar pancakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, full of flavor, and bursting with maple goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. Great to serve for your upcoming brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more recipes, check out my pancakes and maple recipes playlist and my previous video, maple pecan cookies. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your maple syrup, your brown sugar, and get your griddle preheated sugar because we're about to cook some maple and brown sugar pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to give these dry ingredients a quick whisk until they're well blended. Or you can sift them if you like. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 3/4 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And into our milk, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a cupful, 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract, and 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. And I'm using my favorite, Michelle's Maple Cream. We're going to give it a quick whisk until everything is well combined. So now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And again, we're going to whisk everything together. Smells good. Nothing like the smell of maple syrup. And be careful not to overmix. Alrighty, my friends, our pancake batter is complete. Look at this batter. Perfect. So now we're going to set the batter aside while we heat up our griddle. Alright, my friends, I got my griddle nice and hot. You can also cook these in the skillet. So now I'm going to spray my griddle with some non-stick cooking spray. Or you can use butter. We're ready to cook our pancakes. So I'm going to use my 1/4 cup measurement. I'm just going to scoop the batter right onto the hot griddle. Like so. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. So now we're going to let it cook on one side for 3 minutes. All right, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. Beautiful. So now I'm going to add on a pat of butter right on top and let that melt. So now we're going to finish cooking the pancakes on the other side, and then I'll plate them up. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes, and I have 4 on my plate. There's a couple more things we got to add to it. A pat of butter, and of course, some maple syrup. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends, maple and brown sugar pancakes. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Gonna spread my butter. Look at that. Have a bite. Fluffy, tender, and I can taste the brown sugar. And the maple and a little hint of cinnamon. These pancakes are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maple brown sugar pancake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.